and game!
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently here at Göteborg Central Station. So for today's video, I will tour you around Oslo, Norway. So this will be my fourth country here in Europe, and I'm so excited to meet my newfound friends. And right now we're waiting online, and our bus will leave at 11:10. So hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. So at last, guys, after almost 4 hours, I arrived safe here in Oslo, Norway. I go find my friends. I don't know where are they. The travel was good and nice and comfortable. And later na akong vlog, guys, nahihiya ako.
A few moments later.
Hey! This is my friend Hyacinth. And sige, pangalan mo dahil.
Aiza.
Aisa, mga Bisaya sa Oslo.
Nay, dili ako Bisaya. Batanggen man ako.
Ah, Batanggenya. Sorry, siya lang di ay. Sorry lang. Diba? I'm so lucky they picked me up here. Siya ta. So, andito na po. Nakaluwag-luwag na sa buhay. Nakapunta na naman ng Norway. Yeah, nasa Norway na ako, guys. Oslo. It's the capital city of Norway. And pupunta kami sa bahay ng friend. Newly found friend. Yan, so advice to all of my viewers, maging friendly kayo. Para makalibre ng ticket, di ba, Day? Yeah. Give and it shall come back to you, di ba? Ang daming blessing. Yung Norway, parang nature yung ano niya, no? Yeah. Di ba? Nature.
Sa puntang north.
Aha. Lofoten. Northern Lights ba? Gusto ko nakakita ka na?
Hindi pa. Pero kung may balak kami next year.
Oo, kasi winter lang siya, di ba? Yan, so we'll see.
Alam, mag-Northern Lights kami na
Gani,
summer.
no? Sorry, God. Sorry kayo, ha? Pero Bisaya ka na pangaga.
Yung punto lang.
Ah, okay. Yan. Norway na to. Norway. Ay, Oslo nga. Oslo.
Kasabot naman ako pero gumayra.
Be, Pinaka Central na station.
Yeah, yan yung Central Station.
Yeah, okay. Ay, dami nilang ano ba? Daming colors. Update, guys. So, we have decided to follow Jesus. So, first, namin? Opera House. First location. So, we're waiting for our, host. Mga pa-sponsor. Ay, andun ba? Yeah, punta kami sa Opera House, guys. I've seen the Opera House in mga pinapalo kong mga vlogs. And, oh my God, yung feeling na before you're just watching vlogs.
Imagination
no?
lang.
Tapos now,
Imagination ngayon, nandito na. Killer yun.
yeah, as in yung dreams do come true talaga. The Opera House. This. Ito pala. Ayan. We're gonna go up there, guys. You see? Punta kami doon sa taas. Wow! Ang saya ng bata. Hindi ako pagod. Oh. So, andito na po kami sa taas. See? Wow. So, we're gonna go there. Ang ganda. Uy. We're in the top. And the view. Norway. Norway. Hey, asa day? Ganda. Okay, sorry na. Sorry na. Sorry na, be. Ayan na. Ano ni siya, day?
Building.
Wala mga halata, no? Ang galing! Ang galing ng tour guide ko. Ano to? Building! Very good na tour guide ko. May ibabalita ko sa inyo. Nakita nyo yan sa likod. Oh my God, buhay si Einstein. Scam yung sinasabi nila na patay na siya. Buhay siya. Nakita, i-zoom ko lang yan. Okay, just in front of the opera house, there's like a statue. Statue? Kilala nyo siya? Kilala nyo, comment down below. Ayan. Here at the center of Oslo. This is the center, guys. Yan. Yung famous na ano daw, tiger. Famous ba? Famous ka ba? Hindi kita kilala. Yan daw siya. So, andito kami ngayon. Picture muna tayo. Ganda ng mga flowers nila. Look. So nice. Okay, and that's the walking street. But we're gonna walk on that street tomorrow. Sige, sige.
A few inches later.
Hi! Hi everyone! Hi! Ay, ang dami nila! Hi! Ang saya! Sa ano, Norway with my friends.
Welcome to Norway.
Thank you. Sweet. Diba? Perfect time talaga. So, thank you so much to our host, Ma'am. Char lang po. Oh, munggo. Ano to? I thought ano, lumi. Hindi, adobo! Everyone's favorite. And spring roll. Time to eat!
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game?
Yes.
No.
Yes,
Hey,
you're wrong.
I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game?
No.
No. Yes. Ulit. I can play the pen game.
Hey do! See you tomorrow. Visit Imorgon.
See you tomorrow.
Yes.
Mag-translate na kayo?
Good night.
Yes,